Hello, everyone. My name is Paola. Today, I want to talk about my life so far and the things I have experienced in recent years. Have you ever tried to become a better version of yourself? I have studied English for 3 years, 3 years. I have lived in Leon since I was a child. This year I have already improved my English school. I have just completed many important LUL assignments. Recently, recently I have spent more time studying and focusing on my future. I have never stopped trying to achieve my goals. This week, I have practiced English with my classmates. I have I haven't traveled to another country yet. So far, I have learned many valuable lessons in LUL and in life. I have used technology for main LUL projects in last semester. I have you bear fail proud of his projects. What have you done so far this year? Thank you for listening. Thank you. Bye.